Hi, good morning students. How are you all? Yes, you all are fine? Very good. Stay home and stay healthy. Now, children, as we have done alphabets A to E, revision of alphabets A to E with phonic sounds. Okay. Now, today we are going to do next 5 alphabet. Okay. We are going to do next 5 alphabet. Now, let's start with alphabet. What comes after alphabet E? Any one of you can tell me what comes after alphabet E? Yes, after alphabet it is F. You can see it is F. Now, here you can see capital F and small f also. Capital F and small f. But children, you just say, think when we speak F, okay, when we speak F, what sounds it comes? What sounds it come? It is fur. It is fur. You can see in Hindi also over here, fur. Okay. Now, just remember any 2 words with that F as you do readings now. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Just think what is with letter F. Any 2 words. Yes, F for fan. F for fan. When we speak fan, it starts with fur. Okay, fur, fan. Okay, understood? Now, the second word will be F for fish. F for fish. Now, what comes after letter F? Any one of you over here in the class? After letter F, it comes, yes, just revise ABCD. Yes, it is G. It is G. You can see capital G and small g. But here you have to think over it. When we are pronouncing G, it is coming G. Okay, but its phonic sound is G. Its phonic sound is G. Just think of 2 words with the G. G for anyone? There is one fruit also which we eat in winters and we like, children like very much. Yes, G for grapes. G for grapes. Just think over it. When we are speaking grapes, we are not saying grapes. Okay, we are saying grapes. So it sounds as G. It sounds as G. Now the second word will be gun. Okay, the second word will be gun. So when we pronounce gun, it sounds as G, gun, G-U-N, we write G-U-N, but when we speak, when we pronounce, it comes as gun, G, okay. Now, children, the next letter, what will be the next alphabet after G? Yes, H, see, H, H, capital H and small h. And how H sounds? How H sounds? Her. It sounds as her. Okay. Now, 2 words with H. 2 words with H are 1. H for house. When we speak, when we pronounce house, it comes house. House. Okay. Now, the second word will be, yes, horse. 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 Okay, so the phonic sound of H is her. Understood? Now, children, the next letter, what is the next letter after H? Yes? Yes, the next letter will be I. I. Understood? Capital I and small I. Capital I and small I. But when we speak I, it sounds as body E. Okay, E. Now the 2 words which we which we see for I is I for igloo. I for igloo. Just See, when we speak igloo, we can't say igloo. Okay? We can't say this. What we are saying? We are saying igloo. So, it sounds as E. Okay? The next word will be ink pot. Ink pot. For ink pot also, we can't pronounce it ink pot. It is not ink pot. It is ink pot. So, the phonic sound for the letter I is E. Badi E. Okay? Now, the next letter will be, what will be the next letter after I? Yes? The next letter will be J. See, capital J and small j. Capital J and small j. Now, J sounds as, just practice, J. J sounds as J. Now, what are the two words with J? Yes, J for jar. J for jar. And you can see, children, when we speak jar, it sounds as jar. Okay? Now, the second word will be jug. Jug. And in this word also you can see, when we pronounce, it sounds as j. So, the pronunciation of J is J only, and its phonic sounds is also J. Okay, children? Now, these 5 alphabets we have done today, but what you have to do, you have to revise all the alphabets from A to J. Not only what we have done today, but all the alphabets from A to J. Thank you, children.